Hello, my name is Ajo Banerjee and I study in 9th grade Children's Academy School.
Hello, my name is Rasesh Shah. I study in 7th grade Thakur International School.
We, the terrific engineers and coders, have created a new project named Smart Switch. This project is very simple to use and it is also less expensive.
We have created this project because many switchboards can cause electrical shocks, which are the worst for a person's life. Many companies produce touch sensor switches, but they are very expensive, so a person cannot afford to buy them.
This project uses 5 components: an LED, an Arduino Nano, a buzzer, a motor, and a touch sensor.
LED is known as light emitting diode. It emits light and converts electrical energy to light energy and then to heat energy.
An Arduino Nano is the brain of this project. It works with the help of the microcontroller Atmel Atmega 328P.
Touch sensors are input devices that detect touch. It uses two binary numbers, 0 for low, which is off, and 1 for high, that is on.
A buzzer produces sound. It converts electrical energy to sound energy.
Motors are output devices that convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. Its rotation is measured in RPM, that is, rotation per minute. Now, Arzo will explain you the connection diagram for the same.
This is the connection diagram. Here there are 3 touch sensors, an LED, a buzzer, a motor and a battery pack. The first touch sensor is attached to analog pin A0, VCC and ground. The second touch sensor is attached to analog pin A2, VCC and ground. The third touch sensor is attached to analog pin A4, VCC and ground. The LED is attached to D13 and ground, and the buzzer is attached to M1, that is D2 and D3. The motor is attached to M2, that is D4 and D5. All the connections are done on the Arduino Nano Shield and not on the Arduino Nano.
This project can be used with any other electrical appliances too.
Also, it is very beneficial for the next generation as it is simple to use and less expensive.
With large touch sensors and electrical appliances, this project can be installed in residential places.
Now, Rashesh will show you how the project practically works.
Hello, this is the practical display of the Smart Switches project. This is the smart house. These are the 3 touch sensors that I used. This is the buzzer printed circuit board. This is the battery pack. There is an LED printed circuit board inside the house. And this is the motor. All these 3 touch sensors have different functions. The first touch sensor has the function to switch on the buzzer that indicates a doorbell. The second touch sensor will switch on the LED which indicates a light. And the third touch sensor will switch on the motor which will indicate a fan. Now let's see how this project works. First, I'll click on the first touch sensor. Can you hear the buzzer buzzing? This indicates that someone is ringing the doorbell. I'll click on the second touch sensor. Can you see the light glowing? This indicates that someone has switched on the light. Can you see the motor rotating? This indicates that someone has switched on the fan. This is how a switches project works. I hope you liked our project. Thank you.